kind of doesn't matter. Maybe it was Beyonce doing an electric slide, okay? Doing a little dip, doing a little dip. Hiya. I'm starting already. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Ishow Hair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now you will want to see the install of this unit because I did something a little different that I haven't done on my channel before. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in already. Me in already. You all already. Like my side already. That's that most city, that side that you take around at night. Yeah, you like to give me eyes. You know when you on the side. You like when I make fire. You say look like you making fire. Let me come inside you. Let me put that shit inside you. I said this. Only thing that's the whip, baby. Only thing that was real. Only thing
Okay, so if you stayed and watched the install, you saw that I did something a little different with my unit just to kind of, you know, spruce her up a little bit, but we'll talk about that in a second, okay? Like I said, this unit comes to us from Ishow Hair. It is their deep wave lace wig. It comes in a P4/27 honey blonde color, and the starting price for this unit is $107.35. Now, obviously, depending on the specs you get for your unit, that price can go up. You can choose the parting space for your unit and the length, so you can get the 4x4 lace closure, which is what I got, or you can choose the T-part unit to get the lace part here in the middle with a little bit of lace here in the front. The rest of the cap construction is pretty standard though. You get the combs on the side, comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is big head associate. It doesn't come all the way down onto my sides, as you can see right here, and it's not all the way pulled down under my wig grip in the back, which is fine for me because I had to pull it a little bit down on my forehead. You guys know I have a lot of forehead real estate, okay? So I wanted to make sure my unit was down on my forehead as much as possible without looking a little janky, okay? And I think she's sitting at the proper location, okay? Now, like I said, the curl of this unit is a deep wave. I did go in and co-wash my unit because it does come with that chemical smell that you want to get out. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit when I did the co-wash, and I did get a little bit of tangles here on the end, but nothing crazy. And I also went in with my leave-in conditioner, as you saw in the put down, put some of that on the hair, and then I let the unit air dry. It took about like 2 or 3 hours for this unit to air dry, which makes me think this is more like a 150 density, just because, you know, it wasn't really a lot of hair to air dry. It did fluff up a little bit after the air dry, which is what I wanted. However, with the 24 inches, it's pretty much all one length all the way around. You may get a couple short pieces here in the front, but not too many. So as you saw in my put put down, I did go in and define my curls just a little bit more because, like I said, it's a deep wave unit. So the hair is more wavy than it is curly. I wanted a more curly look for me, so I used my little handy dandy, it's been a while, mini curler that I would use for like my straw curls on my natural hair like a while ago. This curling iron and me have been through the trenches. You hear me? So it's been a while that I've used this joint and I completely forgot about her. Like, y'all, let me see if I can put her to work. Okay, and I only had it on the level 3, like barely on level 3, if that. So it was like pretty much on the low setting, and it took me literally no time to spruce up these curls, y'all. Like, y'all saw what I was doing? You know, I was wrapping that joint around and taking it off pretty much ASAP. Is it hot? Okay, she hot, she hot. Let me show y'all real quick. Okay, look at this, look. Just put her on like that, and then I just take her right on off. Look at the curl. Yes, yes. Like, it was easy, y'all. Very easy. So I'm really happy with how these curls came out. They look very, very defined and juicy, and I'm here for it. The hair texture itself is pretty soft. It does come off a little silky. I did go in and cut some layers here in the front just for the look I wanted. I probably could have cut a little bit more, you know, kind of like in this area right here to kind of give me more of like, you know, a taper look around here. But I wanted to keep some of the length because, you know, this unit is 24 inches. And let me go ahead and turn to the side so you guys can see that. Okay, my hoop's showing out. Look at look at them. Then go ahead, girl. And then all the hair to the back. It's still a little damp back here, but nothing crazy. Now, initially I wanted them to send me the 20-inch because I wanted more of like, you know, a shoulder length, curly, big, you know, bush type of thing. But I'm kind of happy they sent me the 24-inch just to see what I could do with her. And I'm happy with it, okay? I'm happy with her, okay? Would y'all be here for, you know, curling your curly unit? Like, let me know. I didn't want the full out wavy look, and I wasn't gonna do the wet look, okay? I wasn't gonna. The only thing I don't really like because of what I did is the parting space, which is normally what I don't like about this color wig in general. I have tried this color wig before in like my bob or like, you know, the long straight ones or whatever. I can never get the color of the parting space right. It never works out for my skin tone. I can never get it right. So yeah, just that. Because this unit is curly, it kind of doesn't matter, right? And because this is a 4x4, I'm able to, you know, move the unit over to the side or like flip the hair over, pull the hair back into like a little half up, half down if I want to. Okay, I can do something like that, like y'all. But I really want the messy, in my face, curly type of look. I'm so glad how this looks. I'm so happy with how this looks. She's giving me a really messy look. Who has hair like this? Is it Lynn from Girlfriends? What color was Christina Milian's hair in Love Don't Cost a Thing? Maybe it was Beyonce. Who was it? Somebody had their hair like this and it was really cute, and I didn't think I could ever pull this off, but y'all, I'm doing it. Now for my unit in particular, you're gonna pay about $230. Okay, that's how much my unit costs for my specs. So you wanna go ahead and dip and dabble into that change purse, okay? I think she could be a look, y'all. I think she could be a look based on how she's sitting on me right now. Hey girl, but if Essence Fest was happening this year, okay, your girl will be up in there, okay? Doing an electric slide, okay? Doing a little dip, Since we not, I'm gonna be in my backyard with my little wine cooler doing my thing. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Ishow Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. If you guys wanna check this unit out, I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.